Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unboxing for you. It is 5 p.m. The sun is setting. It might not look great, but I really want to film this video because I've had this box sitting here since yesterday. And once again, I'm curious to see if something is broken. I hope not, but let's just open it up and see what's inside. Let's see. Oh, Jesus Christ, what the hell? They even got rid of the tissue paper. What the hell? This is completely just... Yeah, there's no tissue paper anymore. Oh my god, I think LookFantastic is full of shit. This I will not use, I already know. Oh my god, we went from such a good box, you know, like an actual cardboard box with the UKL in to this. Okay, so we're gonna start with the first thing. Oh, there's also no QR code, so... As you know, this is the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask. Extreme Detox Hydrator. I still have another thing by Peter Thomas Roth. What's it called? Something with water. I don't remember what it was exactly, but I haven't used that one yet. So, yay, another thing to add into my collection. Let's see what it smells like. I can't because it's sealed. Apply a generous coat on clean skin. Rinse after 10 minutes with cool water. Use 2 to 3 times a week or daily. Okay, I will definitely use that one. This might come in very handy. So, I don't know if you can see, but I have wavy hair. It's not full on curly, but it's wavy. And the thing is, I also have frizzy hair, and whenever it's humid outside, it just goes poof. So I very often tried out the curly girl method. I did it a couple of times and I gave up on it because it's just, I think I have ADHD or something, but I do not have the time to do the whole curly girl method. If you do have the time, that's good for you, and I'm very jealous of your curly hair and how amazing it looks. It worked nicely for a while, but then I just gave up on it. So now they have the Curl Jelly by, do I say it in Italian? Umberto Giannini. I might try this out. For scrunch drying all types of curls. Tames frizz, adds shine and defines. Apply jelly evenly through mid-lengths and ends of hair and scrunch dry with a diffuser or leave it to air dry. To add volume, scrunch dry with your head upside down. For more definition, twirl each lock of curls into a spiral and leave it to air dry. There's no nasty crunch and no build-up. Experiment and find the right amount and technique for you. I'm actually so excited for this. Yes, I'm trying. Like I said, I gave up on it, but I always did this. I never did the upside down thing because my hair's just not made for volume and all. As you can see, it's really flat. So I always did this. You scrunch up the thing. So maybe it was, and the fact that you don't have to use a diffuser, because I don't have that either. I always let it air dry, and it looks great. But I feel like with the curl gel, it might look better. So let's. I just want to see what it smells like. Oh my god. Yes. Oh, I will definitely put that into my hair. Oh yes. Just like I said, I want to use this is the Dr. Pawpaw Tinted Lip Oil. I just don't like this. Yeah. The thing is, this is not in a cardboard box. This is not sealed, so I cannot give this to anyone. Did these not come in cardboard boxes? I think they did. And this is the shade Coal Crush. It's a tinted lip oil. I do not like this brand, so I will not use that one. This I like. This I have to drink to that. Hold on, give me a minute. This is the Pixie Glow Tonic Toner. Guess what I ordered last week? Guess what arrived today? A toner. Oh, I should have known. Like it's actually kind of scary how often that happens. You know, that I'm running out and I'm buying something and then boom, the LookFantastic box arrives and you have that product in. Now, luckily, this is a small version. It's only 15 milliliters. I will use that one up quickly, but if I would have known, you know, I mean, I would have bought a new toner anyways, but I could have stretched it a bit because you have this one. That's not the product in my collection. I have to use up. Oh my god. Anyways, we're not going to dwell on that. We're just going to continue. Wait, I don't know if we had this before, but this is the LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream SPF 30. Now, we definitely had something with a marine. Was the marine face wash? Or was it actually the cream? I don't know. But it has SPF 30 in, which is very nice to use. You should use it's sealed, of course, it's sealed. Use SPF, not only on your body, but definitely on your face as well. Your ears, especially when when it's hot outside and you do this and your ears are exposed and behind the ears as well. Please do that. I'm guilty myself. I had a sunburn on top of my ears and that is painful. It's more painful than you might think. It's not nice. So use SPF. So while we're at it, this is the Hydrating Day Cream, SPF 30, like I said. Apply every morning to cleanse dry skin. That's what it says. So I will definitely use that one as well. And then last but not least, we have the We Are Paradox Growth Thickening 3-in-1 Conditioner, Hair Mask, and Finishing Cream. Sustainable, vegan, natural, Irish roots, and biotech. After shampooing, work into wet hair and rinse. As a mask, apply to damp or dry hair and leave overnight. Overnight? Are you mad? Nah. No. To tame frizz and flyaways, apply to styled hair as a finishing cream. For best results, use with growth thickening shampoo. The thing is, I have weird hair, right? The ends, like the lengths, okay, the ends are dry and my scalp is very oily. Not now, I have to wash it every other day. I know some people can go 3 days without washing, that is not me. Or even a week without washing, that is not me. No way. My scalp is already prone to be oily, and if I leave something in overnight, are you actually mad? That is not happening. Just the thought of that and sleeping with that on, and yes, I could put like a towel over it or a bonnet or whatever. No. We will use it as a mask. It's still as one, of course. Because I do currently still have a mask going on, but it's almost empty, and I was this close to order a new one, but I didn't. Alright, now the only problem I have with these Paradox, and I think I have a Grown Alchemist face cream, is these squeezy tubes. They are it's not really plastic, it's like a metal type thing. They're so hard to use. This, you open up in the shower, squeeze it out, use. Oh, this outside strong, you know what I mean. This face cream, done. This is my inner monk coming out, right? I have to squeeze it out from the top all the way to the bottom, even rolled up to get every last bit out. That's just a new problem. These 5 colors I will definitely try out. The tinted lip thing, no. I've had enough of this brand and the products in general that I know that I will not use it, and I will not like it. I just know. So I'm not even going to put it on my lips. But these, I will definitely try it. We had something about this range before, so I will definitely use it. I had it many times, will definitely use it. I have another, like I said, what is it called? Water drench, it's something with water. I won't use this one as well. The thing is, I only use like specialty products on my face twice a week, right? On Wednesday and Sunday. And right now there is a scrub. And once that is empty, I will use this. Now the problem is the scrub is almost this size. It's a large tube. And until that is empty, these small products here just have to sit around. Which is also not good. Maybe I should switch it up. This I will use. This I will definitely use as a mask, not overnight, but in the shower. And then this, I'm excited. I hope it works well. I will maybe film a reel, or maybe I'll just take pictures of it, because I'm stoked to see how this works out. I'm going to this video that, there's everything in this box. It's not even tissue paper anymore. Like I said, back in the days we had this outer box, an actual LookFantastic cardboard box, tissue paper, a leaflet, and the UKL. And now we only have 6 products. That's it. I think maybe it's actually time to get a new beauty box. Let me know if you know a good one that also ships worldwide, because I'm in the middle of Europe. Name me one that's not from America, because taxes and, customs. Just rough. You know what's going on in the world currently. Like, ordering something from overseas is just mad. But if you know a good one, maybe in Europe, let me know. Alright, so that was it. Let me know if you tried any of these products out. I feel like I want to use them all right now. Yeah, I'm excited. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And it's the next one.